Take up your smartphone or your laptop, follow the steps in this video, set up a passive income stream in 30 minutes or less, close your laptop, turn it off, relax, go out, party with friends, dance, enjoy yourself, do whatever you want, and come back and collect your earnings on a regular basis. Or you can choose to not follow the steps in this video, continue doing your 9 to 5 job and earn nothing extra. But if you're interested, just know that this is worldwide and you can set this up once and have it working for you over and over, and that's what passive income is. Alright, the first thing I want you to do is go to Google and type in GIF. Do you know what a GIF is? Well, a GIF is something like a picture or something like a video, but it's a GIF. You must know what a GIF is. Anyways, you come to Google and you type in GIF, and as you can see here, we got a whole lot of them. Alright, there's a next platform you can go on to find other GIF, and the name is Jiffy. So I want you to check out these two platforms and find GIF that you like and also can work for you within the method that I will be sharing with you. This method is an underground method. Not many persons on YouTube is showing this. It's so easy and it's fantastic. So pick the GIF you want. You can download them to your computer, or if it's a smartphone you're using, you download it to your smartphone. So the next thing I want you to do is come to this website. The name is Eclincher. Eclincher is a social media marketing platform. So as you can see here, the only social media marketing platform you will ever need. Eclincher take care of basically everything on the internet. So if you check them out right here, the best thing about this is you won't be managing anything for anyone, all right? So as you can see, you can start a 14-day free trial, but don't you worry about that, because that's not what I will be having you doing. And if you can look here, the brands they're trusted by, and they're trusted by a lot of big brands all over the world. So this is quite safe, and also the level of performance speak for itself. So these are some of the customers and things they love. These are testimonials about what's going on. And as you can see here, these are the social media platform that Eclincher will automate and have your posts going on. Alright, so as you can see, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, anything you call, basically it's there. Alright, so all the tools you need in one platform. So this is definitely a platform that social media personnels will want, and I'm gonna show you a cool and simple way of how you can get this working for you. So I want you to come to the bottom of their website, and I want you to find this right here, partners or affiliate, and you're gonna click on it. So I want you to be an affiliate for Eclincher. You're not gonna sign up to have them promoting or taking care of your social media. You will be an affiliate for these persons, and it will have in you making a lot of money. So you can go ahead and check out some of what they are offering and how will you get payout as well, and they're showing you right here. So what I want you to do necessarily is apply to be an affiliate for them. So you will click this blue button here that is showing you where to apply, and you can read Eclincher affiliate program. So you will read what's going on here, and they're available in most countries. So you're gonna come here, you're gonna put in your first name, your email, your last name. If you don't have a website, you don't have to worry. But if you do, you can put in your website name. For instance, YouTube can be your website if that's what you're using. And you can put your company's name, and you can go on and fill out all these informations. The one you don't have, that's understandable and that's okay. You're gonna click I agree to affiliate terms and conditions, and before doing this, please go ahead and check their terms and conditions out. You're gonna click you're not a robot and you're gonna sign up. Whenever you sign up for Eclincher and you get your affiliate link for Eclincher, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna come to this platform. This website is called Amcor, and you can earn massive amount of traffic here because over 2 million persons visit this website monthly. So if you don't know what Amcor is, you can also do some research yourself before using this, and you can also use Pinterest, you can also use Reddit and put your links so you can have a lot of eyeballs at what you're doing. So essentially, how you do this on Amcor, you're just gonna click here on new post. After you sign up for your new account, if you already have an account, you will sign in. The GIF that you downloaded from here, or if you want to get it from Google, for instance, you downloaded a GIF in the Make Money Online niche, or a GIF saying something about follow. So for instance, you downloaded this GIF saying something about follow. So what you will do, you would put it right here and you would type in something here that is catchy, telling the person something about followers or how you can increase their followers. And most definitely here you will add your affiliate link to Eclincher so they can sign up for Eclincher and have Eclincher start working on their social media platform for them. So you would give them a catchy phrase here. Also, you would add a call to action here. Then you would place your affiliate link. And also over here, you're gonna add some tags. So for instance, you're gonna add best social media hosting platform, you're gonna add how to grow your following and things in that lines, and it's gonna target those set of persons, because if you're promoting something to grow online, you want to target persons that want the same thing, that have the same interest. All right, so most definitely that's how you're gonna do it. It's very simple and easy. So if you understand fully, please let me know. If there is something that you didn't, please let me know in the comments also. And it was nice doing this video for you. Stay tuned for the next videos to come. Thank you for watching, and thank you all my subscribers who haven't subscribed as yet. Please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. We're out for now.